helps me with everything. I have scoliosis. I have tried other like pain medication for my scoliosis, and they do not help whatsoever. I've actually felt like it deterred me from living a normal life. So I'm gonna be cooking brownies from the box today, and we're gonna have hash butter with it. So let's get started. Sometimes it's nice to just have edibles throughout the day. You don't want to do too much milk now. And this is the fun part. This is a stick of hash butter. It was twice whipped. Edibles, they affect you a lot differently than actually inhaling and smoking marijuana, so it could knock you out for hours, so you just gotta be careful. I mean, for pain management, it's great. I could just eat something and then boom. This butter can be used for pretty much anything. It's just butter, yeah, with cannabis in it, so it's pretty easy. I wish I had a blender right now. This is looking like all of the dry ingredients are mixed in, so I'm ready to start panning it out. So you want to make sure that the brownie mix is evenly spread across the pan here. And now we bake it. And we're done. Probably baked a little bit too long, but that's okay. Okay. Darn it. They're okay.